be starting lesson 9. And let's see our end file. This is what it looks like. The Curse of Frank and Steen poster. Here's a start file. Here's a start image. Here's the components. Then we have this makeup file. It's called Monster. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Monster Makeup. And here we have the bolts, the head, the hands, the stitches, the neck, more stuff. And we're going to go ahead and open this file first. So I want all of the items selected. I press Command A for all, and then I go to Tools, Photoshop, Load in Photoshop Layers. So load files in Photoshop layers. So in order for you to work on this lesson 9, you need to put your files in a folder that you've downloaded from Canvas titled Monster Makeup. Open up Bridge and then go once again Tools, Photoshop, scroll down to load files into Photoshop layers. And is currently busy with another task. Would you like to cue this command? No, I would not. Let me go ahead and see what the problem is. I'm going to go ahead and shut my Photoshop down. It's probably overthinking. So now I have the wheel of death. Okay, so let's shut down. I'm going to do it again. Tools, Photoshop, load files into Photoshop layers. And it's opening Photoshop right now. Okay, and then here are our files coming up. So yours should look something like this. And we have, I think there's all the components. Is it one more? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8. Bolts, Enhance, Franken, Green Ear, Green Neck, Green Nose, Green Skin, and Monster Hair. Make sure you have all your files so we're ready to go.